Incremental routines. Let's continue the Supermemo course, approachable expansion. Now we will cover the review all we have seen, the use cases for it. Is when I want to use review all as opposed to just review, the subset review. So why should I want to add the non-outstanding elements, by the way, in plain words? First, when you're exploring a topic, or when you are in a creativity mode, now I realize something unexpected, and I know I have stuff in my collection. Like the example before, fasting is, fasting is about, or intermittent fasting about health. For me, it was, let's pretend, it was a weight loss thing, right? Related to weight loss. But hey, it's related to health and longevity as well. And mood also has some psychology factors as well. Hey, let me explore that. Let me do a search about fasting. And now you see I have dismissed elements, I have topics and items, I have intervals, very high intervals, and intervals of one single day, meaning I have just the automatic repetition, most likely. And it's just 47 users. It's not that big. I can manage this in one session. So you know what I'm going to do? Is I'm going to do, instead of learn, I'm going to do review all, because I want to see what I have in my collection already, what I have extracted, what I have imported, or the items that there are. What does metformin mimic? It mimics fasting. But metformin, usually, it's a medicine for diabetes, right? Yeah, but one of the side effects is weight loss. But it's not the point, weight loss. It's about insulin, all of that, right? To avoid peaks. How should intermittent fasting be called more accurately? Yeah, time-restricted feeding, because you're not fasting in reality. It's not long enough to call it fasting. And look at this. Weight loss tips. Self-control. The keto diet, for instance, the keto diet burns more fat than fasting. What's the catch? Because it also burns dietary fat, the fat you eat. And all of that is okay. It is a good example. So I will review everything. I want absolutely everything. If it's an item, I will refresh that item. If it's not outstanding, I will do a mid-interval repetition. It's fine. Because now, this is very high priority. And I see, look at the priorities. It's very heterogeneous. So I want to review what I have. And that's it. I could sort by priority if I want to, by interval. I want to start with what has been more neglected. I could filter if I want to. In this case, I only have 40. If I had 300, perhaps I would care. I want at least one repetition, or the repetition is kind of old, some years ago, whatever I want to do. That's one use case. And it's, oh wow, I'm exploring this. Or creativity could be that I want to do an incremental writing flow, by the way, through search. So I want all of the topics to appear, regardless if they are outstanding or not. Let me add it here. For incremental writing, that we will see much later in this course. When I see much later is hundreds of videos later. So nothing more to add, and see you in the next video.